Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can start up a Flutter project in Android Studio and VS Code. The first thing we have to do is check if you have Flutter installed by going to your command prompt and typing Flutter Doctor. If you don't have Flutter installed, you can watch my previous video. I showed how to install Flutter in your system. As you can see, Flutter is successfully installed on my system, so we can proceed. Now you head over to your favorite web browser. And you search for Visual Studio Code. Now you click on download for Windows. I already have it downloaded and installed, so I won't do that. Just click on download and the process is straightforward. After downloading and installing Visual Studio Code, you go to your search bar and search for Visual Studio Code. Once opened, you go to extensions on the left, click on it, go to the search bar and type in Flutter. Click on Flutter and click on install. Now I'll go back to the search bar and type that. If that isn't installed, you click on install. Now you close down the extension and you go to view, command palette. If you don't see Flutter up there, type in Flutter. It should pop up. You click on new project, click on application. You select the directory where you want to install your new project. I'll create a new folder called test projects. Now you name your app whatever you want to name it. I'll name mine YT tutorial and you press enter. As you can see on the bottom right, your Flutter project is being created. When you check on the left, all the necessary folders and files are being created in a directory. Your main.dat will also be created for you, as this is the test project, counting app project. Now we are done with VS Code. Let's head over to Android Studio. If you don't have Android Studio installed, I will show you how to install it. First of all, you go to your browser. Now you type in Android Studio. Now you click on download Android Studio Ladybug. I already have it downloaded and installed, so I won't download it. But the installation process is very simple and straightforward. After installing, search for Android Studio on your search bar. It should open up. Okay, click on plugins. On the search bar, you type in Flutter. Make sure you're in the marketplace, not on installed. Click on marketplace and you should see Flutter. You click on Flutter and you click on install. click on Restart IDE and restart. As you can see, we have the Flutter plugin installed, new Flutter project. But there's one more thing we need to check. Go back to plugins and search for that. If that isn't installed, click on install. So let's go back to projects, click on new Flutter project. On the left hand side, you select Flutter. On Flutter SDK part, you have to select where you installed your Flutter SDK. It's always located in your local disk C drive. So anywhere you installed your Flutter, that's where you go and get your Flutter SDK from. Click on OK, click on next. You name your project whatever you want to name it. Test project. You can select your directory where you want to save your project. I'll save mine in my local disk D drive and I'll create a new folder for it. I click OK. Creating an application. And click create. As you can see, all the necessary files and folders are being created for you. Just have to be patient for like a couple of minutes and everything will be set. If you also have this Microsoft Defender configuration pop up, just click automatically and let it and click on yes. So it allows your Windows Defender not to interfere with Android Studio. And that is it. We have successfully started a Flutter project in both Android Studio and Visual Studio Code. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe.